Welcome to Vridivage Finance, and it is up after a long weekend. After a long week of a gap, we are back to upload our new video about NASDAQ predictions. Vridivage Finance is basically from India, presenting NASDAQ predictions. And yes, dear investors and viewers, this times we failed to achieve it, and we are really say yes, we are human, we can do mistakes, and in that case our analysis sometimes not achieved by us. So anyways guys, Vridivage Finance presenting new predictions for NASDAQ Composite Index and NASDAQ 100, which will be valid from 7th March 2022 till 12th March 2022, will be validity for only 1 week. Dear viewers, this is nothing based on a chart analysis, and in that case we are predicting even on the Saturday where the week has not started yet, and this is for this upcoming weekdays. You will find it NASDAQ volatility. Dear viewers, we have given a lot of volatility into the market, but unfortunately, dear viewers, if you see NASDAQ predictions for composite index and NASDAQ 100 NDX, which will be valid till from 28th Feb 2022 till 4th March 2022. So NASDAQ composite index, we were expecting it can show the little bit uptrend and show the downtrend over here. So maximum higher end we are expecting 14,250 points, where it can be get stabilized at 13,100, and if it has gone down it can touch up to 13,000 only. So if you see NASDAQ 100, if it shows the uptrend, it can goes up to 14,550 plus, where if it is goes down it can goes up around 13,700. And yes, if it has get stability over here, so it can touch this, show the flat trend at 14,050 around that. So hopefully this time also it becomes a true, and we will watch it whether our predictions has met the target of the investors or not. Dear viewers, if you see NASDAQ composite index chart, we given a lot of volatility into this chart analysis, but unfortunately it has not become so true, and the market touch up maximum of 13,837, and it shows some sort of stability during even a Russia and Ukraine crisis of war, and in that case NATO has been involved. So suppose if you see, even we have predicted that the market will go down and it will touch 13,000 around that, but unfortunately it has not become so true. It's touch around about 13,200 and below for 13,400 around that, means 30,300 somewhere in this week itself. So dear viewers, if you see weekly low and weekly high, it shows that 13,224 it has gone down on the last day of the week, that is means on the 4th March itself. So dear viewers, this time we have missed out the around 200 point NASDAQ predictions of the upper target as well as the lower target too. So hopefully this week it will become so true. We have a chart analysis for the NASDAQ 100 lives too. Dear viewers, if you see NASDAQ 100, yes, it hasn't achieved 14,339.70 on the 3rd March at 9:30 a.m. according to US time, and in that case we have not achieved, because we were expected somehow somewhere it's 14,000 around that, 14,550 somewhere, but it hasn't touched 14,500, it just touched 14,339. So it is not, we have missed the target and we are really unhappy to meet. We have missed some sort of stat over here, and it shows the flat trend in between 14,500 below, means 14,400 below, till it has goes about 13,700, around that means 13,800. So this is the between the flat, and it has not shown the volatility into the market. And in case of NASDAQ 100 live, if you see the chart over here, which we have took a pictures from the internet, and in that case you will analyze it, it's really not meeting up what volatility even Vridivage Finance has predicted. Anyways guys, this is the Ukraine Russia war and the benefited by whom we can see over here. Predictions for NASDAQ Composite Index and NASDAQ 100 NDX, which will be valid from the 7th March 2022 till 12th March 2022. Here is NASDAQ Composite Index. We are giving the predictions for this upcoming week from the 7th March onwards, and it will be maximum higher end NASDAQ Composite Index may touch 13,800 and 70 points around that. This time we have not given exactly volatility over here, and it can be get stabilizing over 13,500 around that. And suppose it has gone down, it can show 13,100 around that, or 13,000 even. So hopefully this time our NASDAQ predictions comes true. Anyways guys, in case of NASDAQ 100 live, we were expecting if it has gone up and crossed the about touch, it can touch up to 14,350. And suppose is oh my gosh, this is we have given 14,000 around that. No, there is something wrong, I think so. It has go 14,000. Yeah, it has go 14,000. It has goes 14,350. Above even 14,500 can touch up, but we are not expecting. We have given some sort of stability over into this market because there is a lot of thing happening across the world, and there are a number of there are a number of stock exchanges has show the volatility, or they shows the bleeding one. So anyways, over here we are expecting NASDAQ 100 may get stability over here in around 14,000, 13,000. It must be 14,000 actually, 14,000 or 13,000 below that, means like 13,800 something like that. Yeah, I think we have missed this 14,050 around that hopefully. So, and suppose it has gone down, it can goes down 13,250. So yeah, sorry, this is a stability over a stability. We were expecting 13,400. There will be volatility into NASDAQ 100 probability we are expecting, and in that case we are expecting higher, and it can touch 14,350. It can show the stability at 13,400. And suppose NASDAQ 100 goes down, NDX shows, then it can touch up to 13,250 around that. So hopefully our predictions comes true. You just check out once again our video, so you will analyze it. What last words we have said in this. Dear viewers, as like a chaos and all, everything is chaos, so that's the reason Vridivage Finance has not uploading any videos on the basically cryptocurrencies. Yeah, but because we are not doing a chart analysis over cryptocurrencies, that's the reason we are not uploading the videos, and that's the reason our Crypto Blush channel has like looking like a suspended or resume or just a pause even the channel. Apart from that, Vridivage Finance has not uploading any videos as of now, because this is like we are also in crisis as like Russia and Ukraine. Anyways guys, so hopefully we will have some gear up in our own personal life as well as in the professional life, and then accordingly we will start statistic over here in Vridivage Finance, because we are in such a roller coaster where we have to work on hard lot of things. So anyways guys, we are hoping that it will be work hard, and it will be literally work hard, and in that case thank you by Vridivage Finance and NASDAQ Pumpkin. Well, happy weekend, have a long drives with your partner and enjoy with your family. So hopefully you will enjoy it, and hopefully you will not travel to Europe too. anyways, because everybody is exiting from that. Anyways guys, so we are from India and we are talking about NASDAQ predictions. So hopefully if you like our predictions, just thumbs up to our YouTube channel, and have a great weekend. Happy Saturday and Sunday too, guys. Bye bye, have a great day.